Hi everyone, this is Laurie with Journey with the Gingers. This video is about the 5 dinners that we had on the Carnival Sunshine. We're going to share with you the menus, and we're also going to share with you what we had and our thoughts on what we had. So let's go. My name is Laurie, and this is my daughter Hannah. We are the mother-daughter duo that make up Journey with the Gingers. But for this video, it would just be myself and my wonderful husband William. We are on the Carnival Sunshine. We're celebrating our 28th wedding anniversary. And in this video, we'll be sharing with you what we had for dinner on our 5-night cruise here on the Carnival Sunshine. So this is the first night, and we ate in the main dining room, and we have anytime dining. William and I are going to share with you what we had. We're going to show you what we had, and we're going to give you thoughts about it. So this is day 1 on the Carnival Sunshine. And if you are not subscribed to our channel, we hope that you'll do so, because we have many vlogs out from the Carnival Sunshine. So let's go. So tonight, which is the first night, we had both had the same exact appetizers. We had calamari, and we also had shrimp cocktail. And they were both really good, but if I had to choose a favorite, it would definitely be the calamari. What was yours for appetizer?
I like the shrimp cocktail.
He liked the shrimp cocktail so much that the guy brought him 2 more. He didn't ask for it though. Yeah. Well,
I asked for one.
He asked for another one, yeah, and the guy brought him 2.
He brought me 2.
So, just letting you know, they want to feed you. So, but it's a small portion. It's like 4 little shrimp. So, but his favorite was the shrimp cocktail for the appetizer. My favorite was the calamari. For our main entrees, on the menu right now, because Cucina del Capitano is not open for dinner, so they have 2 entrees actually from their menu on the regular menu in the main dining room, and it's free, so that's kind of nice. So William had, we're not going to say the name because it's in Italian and it's kind of hard.
It was a pasta dish.
Yeah.
Like fettuccine and a tomato sauce. And it had a little kick to it, and the mussels and everything in it was real good. The calamari it was in it.
The calamari, mussels, something else,
and
clams. I had the beef brisket, and it was delicious. I loved it so much. It was very tender. It had a lot of vegetables in it. It tastes like a pot roast with a lot of good vegetables, and it had mashed potatoes with it. So if you like beef, like a roast beef, pot roast kind of thing, the beef brisket was very tender and delicious. For dessert, I had the warm chocolate melting cake, because I always have to have it at least once. And it was really good. And it came with a side of ice cream, and I always get a side of peanut butter with it.
And I had the tiramisu. It was very good. It wasn't overwhelming sweet, and the coffee was just perfect and everything. It was just what I wanted, what I needed.
So I say night 1 in the main dining room was a success.
I believe so too.
Yeah, we really enjoyed it. So next we'll show you day 2. So tonight was also dinner in the main dining room. We have anytime dining, so we ate around 6 p.m. tonight.
Yes.
For my appetizer, I had shrimp cocktail.
And I also had a shrimp cocktail, as well as Caesar salad.
My shrimp cocktail was fine. Same thing I had last night.
Same. Caesar salad was good.
Fresh.
Fresh.
Okay. And then for our dinners, I chose the garlic grilled shrimp and it came with some vegetables and like a lemon sauce, and it was very good. I love their shrimp on this ship. I feel like it's super fresh. So.
And I had the slow cooked prime rib, and it came. I got it medium, and it came with potato and broccoli with au jus.
You like it?
It was good.
Okay. And then for dessert, I had the creme brulee. The only thing about my creme brulee tonight, it was delicious. It was really good. It didn't, you know how when you hit it, it's supposed to like be hard on top?
Right.
It wasn't like that
crust,
tonight,
yeah.
but it was still good. It tastes really good.
I chose the tropical fresh fruit plate. It was delish. Pineapple, watermelon, grapes, and strawberries.
Okay.
It was really delish.
Yep. So that was our dinner tonight.
And I enjoyed it.
And with tomorrow, we haven't decided if we're going to eat in the main dining room or where we're going to eat tomorrow night. So we'll let you know.
Yes. See you tomorrow night.
So we had Bonsai Sushi, which is you have to pay for it, but it's not that expensive. And it was really good.
Yes, it was.
On the Sunshine, they have actually a restaurant of Bonsai Sushi. We were on the Valor, and they had like more of a we pick up kind of thing, right?
Yeah, it was a like window.
Like takeout kind of thing. And they have takeout at the Bonsai Sushi here too. But we decided to eat in the restaurant, and we ordered way too much food. Way too much food.
Yeah, I did a little overboard on it, but I ate all mine.
Just know that when you get the sushi rolls, it's a lot bigger than some of the sushi rolls we probably would get back at home.
Yeah.
So just be mindful about, because we each ordered 2 things and it was too much. We had to bring mine back and put it in the refrigerator. So you started off with...
I got the bento box, and it came with miso soup. And
how'd you like it?
It was good. It was that's the first time I ever had that with tofu.
Did you like
it was okay. It was good. Yeah, I liked it.
And then they brought your sushi. So which sushi did you get?
I got the spicy tuna roll.
And what did you think about that?
It was good. It was bigger pieces than what you normally get and everything.
It was big.
Yeah.
I got the salmon poke bowl first, and it was so good. I said I need to learn how to make that at home, because that was really good. I liked it a lot. But it was so much food in that one bowl that when my next thing came, I just had them put it in a box. I did taste one piece. I got the Bang Bang Bonsai roll, and it was very good. That one piece I tried, but the rest is in the refrigerator in case.
Yeah, yours is in the fridge.
In case somebody would need a midnight snack.
Yeah. The bento box came from mine, which had the California roll and the sashimi on it. So it was good. And it had a salad, a small salad.
But I would highly recommend it if you just want something different. And tomorrow for dinner we have JiJi's. We haven't had JiJi's before. And that was it. That's what we had.
Yep.
Ooh, we are full tonight. We had JiJi Asian Kitchen for dinner tonight, and it was very good, but it's a lot of food.
It was quite different from the Asian food you might be used to.
Maybe not. Concept is you get 2 appetizers, you get 2 entrees, you get 2 sides, and you get 2 desserts, but it's all meant for sharing.
Right.
is a lot. I was full. William ate a lot more than I did. I kind of passed on some things because I was getting too full. I ordered the slow braised pork belly, and William ordered some shrimp dumplings. It's called the Jade Shrimp Hargao dumplings. When they bring everything to the table, there's lots of sauces that come with it, which I like that.
Yeah, I do
I like
too.
the different sauces.
There's a lot of sauces that I think enhance the meal.
Yeah, spicy, some sweet, just different sauces. So the pork belly is something I wanted to try. I've never really had a really well prepared pork belly, I guess.
Neither have I.
I liked it, but I couldn't eat a lot of it. It's pork belly, so it has a lot of fat to it. But I was glad I tried it though.
Yeah, I'm glad I tried it, but
I think it was well prepared.
Not something that I would order again.
Yeah, I think it was well prepared. It just wasn't something for me. The shrimp dumplings were nice and light. They were good.
Yeah.
I almost think I might have ordered 2 of those as an appetizer.
Yeah, I would have
Each of us had our own. For the entree, William ordered the Singapore chili shrimp, and I ordered the braised short ribs.
Definitely be aware of the pepper,
the spice
level
of the shrimp.
Which had 1 pepper on it on the menu.
Pepper means spice level.
Level.
He went medium and it was spicy.
Yeah.
And the braised short ribs were really good. They were seasoned well, very tender. I really liked them a lot. Alright, for our sides, we had the fried rice, and you can add shrimp, so we did. And we also had the eggplant. And I think really the sides were some of my favorite parts.
Yeah, the eggplant was delish.
Yeah, they cut it kind of like fries in a way.
Yeah, it was.
Grilled it. Oh, it was so good.
It was very good.
And the fried rice was very similar to fried rice you would get at home. And with shrimp in it. For dessert, I ordered these fried wontons that were with tapioca pearls, like a little coconut milk. It was very light, and it was right for me because I was already so full. And I like it. If you like coconut, you will like it, and it's very light.
Okay, for dessert, I ordered caramelized crepes with fruit, and it came with some ice cream, a scoop of ice cream. So it was very good, rich. In fact, it very sweet. It reminded me almost of my grandmother's cake batter.
It was so sweet, and it was so much to his dessert. His dessert had 2 rolled up crepes, and you could really share it with one person. But his was so sweet, and it had a thick layer of caramel on it. So if you like sweet caramel, vanilla, it was delicious. But it was heavy after eating all that food to me. But I think yours tasted even better than mine. But I'm glad I got what I got because it was lighter. It wasn't so sweet. But I liked it a lot. I would go again.
Yes, I'd definitely go again too.
So we have one more night of dinners to share with everybody. So we'll keep on watching. We'll show you what we ate on our last night on the Carnival Sunshine.
All right.
So the last meal we had on our 5-night cruise on the Carnival Sunshine was actually room service. William was not feeling too well. He just had an upset stomach. So I just ordered from the room service menu using the QR code that was located in our room. There were a couple of items that were free and some things that were not free. So I ordered him a Sierra Mist, which was paid, this normal soda price on the cruise. I also ordered myself some iced tea, which was free. With my meal, I ordered the pepperoni pizza, which was huge, a lot more than I needed just for myself because he sure didn't want to eat pizza. And I ordered a Caesar salad. For him, he got a roasted turkey sandwich and some potato chips. And his was from the free part of the room service menu. My Caesar salad was from the free part of the menu. And the pizza was on the paid for items on the menu. And then for dessert, I just ordered some cookies and milk just in case we wanted something later. The pizza was really good. I enjoyed it. I thought it tasted like a thin crust pizza. It says personal pan pizza on the menu. It was a good thin crust pizza. The Caesar salad's always good on Carnival ships. I love their Caesar salad. He enjoyed the sandwich and the potato chips. So I would highly recommend it if you want to order from the room service menu. Even if you want to have a restful in your cabin evening and do that, I highly recommend it. So that is all the 5 meals that we had on the Carnival Sunshine. We've eaten in the restaurant, we've eaten at Bonsai Sushi, we ate at JiJi's, and then tonight we ordered room service. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. And for now, we thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to journey on.